I'm Paul Bennett at Downeast Thunder Creations in Millbridge, Maine. And this week's video is a revisit of beer can art. The first beer can art video I did a few months ago, I did a picture of a fish scale. And it was fairly popular and a lot of people liked it, and I got some feedback on it. And just recently, a few weeks ago, one of my viewers commented on that particular video and asked if I would do another one, only she said she wanted to see a landscape. So I chose a very simple landscape which came from a children's coloring book, I think, and I just went to Google Images. And when you're going to do beer can art, because of the process, you want to find fairly simple drawings. You don't want them to get too complicated, because then it doesn't work very well. The images don't come out. So that's what I did. And I have some other photos. I don't know if it's coming out on this video very well, but anyway, that's what this video is about. You'll see me do it, and I'll make a few comments during the video explaining what I'm doing. And I'll also provide a link down below in the video description if you want to see the very first beer can art video I did. So please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and share the video. I appreciate it, and thank you for watching. First off, you're going to have to find an empty aluminum beer can or maybe soda can. In this case, we're using a tall boy beer can that gives us more square inches, more surface area to work with. And you're going to have to get a pair of scissors to cut it up, as you can see in the video. In this case, you probably should wear gloves. I usually do. I didn't use them in this case, but you can, the edges get very sharp and you could easily hurt yourself. And gloves will help keep that from happening. Fortunately, I didn't cut myself here. And then you have to go find a graphic to use. And try to use very simple graphics. This is a landscape scene that one of my viewers requested. And it's I chose it from a children's coloring book image I found online in Google Images, and just for this example. And then all I did is I take an embossing tool, and an embossing tool could be anything with maybe a hard ball surface, and I trace around the outside of the lines on both sides, and then when I flip it over, I go in between those lines on the back side with the embossing tool, and that helps raise the image. So then you have a bit of a 3D effect. And I might go back and forth, back side and front side, a few times. And then once that's done, I simply take the image and I put it in a frame. I just tape it into place, and you have to make sure you get it positioned just right, so you might have to peek under there a couple of times on the glass, and then just put all the backing material in and fasten it into place. And that's pretty much all you have to do. And just remember to sign your artwork, and that's all there is to it. It's fairly simple, and now you've added some extra value. Instead of turning that can in for 5 cents at a redemption center, now you can actually sell it for a few bucks. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.